Hi guys, it's Gigi. Welcome back to another. Returning to my page if you're new here. How's it going? I just want to show you guys how I make a J'adore Dior DIY t-shirt. I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know in the video, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is what you're going to need for beginning the tutorial. Alright, so let's get to it. Here I am, just measuring out where exactly I want to put the rhinestones. Now, I have a reference picture above the shirt, but for right now I'm just going to freeball it because that's what I love to do on this channel. I just love to wing it and hope that it turns out the bomb. As you begin to put the rhinestones on, it becomes very simple and easy just to look at the picture and try to make it your own version of it, and that's what I was doing. And at first you're like, ooh, what's going on? But then it starts to really come together, and you'll see throughout the video. After putting the comma, I used the orange piece of paper just as a guideline so I can make sure that the J and the A lined up together, and then I just went for it. Started to get a little sticky, so I used the back end of the tweezer to make sure that the rhinestones were pushed down securely on the shirt. At this point, I'm cruising through this DIY. It's a little bit tricky at first, then once you get the hang of it, you just keep going and going, and it really becomes fun and really satisfying. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Don't be afraid to start bending the gemstones however you want. That's really what I did over here. I just went with what I thought looked right, and then if you need a little bit of adjusting, I adjusted a little bit. It's really, really whatever you're feeling. Alright, this is the home stretch. This is the Dior. And as you can see at this point, I got the hang of it and I'm just breezing through. And you will too, I bet. I'm beginning to make the O, and I wasn't really sure how to go about it, so I just started off with 2 points at the top and the bottom, and then I really just started to bend the rhinestones, and I kind of just went with it how I thought it would look, and then I adjusted it towards the end, which you'll see. I hope you guys love the final product. I'm in love with it. I think it came out so well, and it really didn't take me that long, so I'm really excited. So if you guys want to see more content like this, let me know down below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, do whatever you want. See you guys next time.